SolarWinds TFTP Server is a powerful standalone free tool used to perform fast, reliable, and easy network file transfers. To get started, set up your server by going to File and select Configure. If you want the TFTP server to appear in the task tray, check Add TFTP Server to Windows. Next, specify the TFTP server root directory. Files received by the TFTP server are saved here, while files to be sent by the TFTP server must first be copied to the directory. Click the Security tab and select your preferred TFTP server actions. For example, click Receive Files if you want to restrict the server to receive only. If you want to restrict TFTP server functions to a specific IP address range, click Add, specify the IP address range, and then click OK. For further assistance, click the Help button. Make fast and reliable network file transfers with SolarWinds TFTP Server.